Organized, experienced, fearless, charismatic, self-aware, influential. Organized creates a stable, superior plan, allows her room to adapt confidently with their opportunities and breathe. Experienced, it brings the best to life. It contributes to the way she chooses to live, listen, and communicate. Fearless, because she takes the day in her hands and makes it about the journey. Charismatic, a sincere quality that she uses to create warmth and kindness. Influential, she leads with excitement, she empowers conversation and enhances relationships. Self-aware, she opens her mindset to reflection, embodies growth, creates transparency and authenticity.